Hey, cool cats and kittens. We are Life After Dev, and we are part of the full-time Winter 2020 cohorts. Our project consists of skills we've learned over the last 12 weeks. We originally started Life After Dev as a site for DevPointLabs alumni to stay in contact, meet new graduates, and find projects to collaborate on after their student coding days are over. Let me introduce the team. This is Danny. He is the project manager and also our TA in our cohort. And this is Andrew, and this is me. And this right here is Will, and he is the designer, and he created the visual mock-ups for the project. This right here is Ian. He's a pretty cool dude. And this is Taylor. And Taylor helped a lot. But without further ado, let me pass this off to Andrew.
Well, thank you, Rachel, and welcome to Life After Dev. The main purpose of this site is for alumni of DevPointLabs or any other developers to be able to share their projects and to collaborate with other developers on their projects as well. So I'm just going to log in here. Now our homepage is like a news feed of all the projects that anyone has submitted on our site. Within each project, we have the project owner. Underneath that are the collaborators to the project. Underneath that is the picture for the project and some comments on the bottom. Now, most importantly, on the right, we have the name of the project, a short description of the project, a leave feedback, which will take you to the project page. Here we can have a join button. You can join projects as a contributor to those projects. Now, once you click that button, and just like a friend request on other sites, that accepting user has to accept your request, and then you're contributing to that project. Over on the left, we have our nav bar. At the top, we have our homepage, which will take you here. Below that is our user profile page. So I'm going to pass it over to Ian, and he's going to take it from here.
All right, thank you, Andrew. This is the user page for our website. I'm currently logged in as Andrew Sloan, so I'm seeing his page. As you can tell, we have a little bit of a personal section on the right side. It has the number of projects that you're working on, the number of collaborating projects that you're currently a part of as well. A button that can take you to edit your profile. We won't look at that, it's pretty basic. And then a little section about yourself that you can personalize. Of course, you can add your LinkedIn, GitHub, and personal websites as we have there. In the main part of the screen, you can see that we have a list of the pending requests, as Andrew demonstrated in the previous section. Just as the buttons will suggest, you can accept and deny them as you see fit, which will allow the corresponding user to access the project and put their name on it, so that and anyone else who looks at that project can see that they contributed to it. Below that, we have a scrolling list of the number of projects that people have collaborated with in your personal project. So to start out your personal projects, just a nice little grid that can give you an overview of everything that you've put up on the website. And in the other tab, of course, you have your collaborating projects. Those are ones owned by other people that you are currently working on. Now, if we switch over to a user that is not myself, it is a little bit different. You can see here that without the personal section on the right, it's moved to the left in a little side box. But again, you can see their personal information. And on the right, the same thing. You can see their personal projects and anything that they're working on. I will turn the time back over to Taylor, and he will finish out the description of our website.
Thank you, Ian. We're going to go ahead and go back to our profile page, and we're going to click on one of our projects that we own. This page functions as a project details page. There are several actions that you can do to make changes to this project. We are able to come to this photo edit button, and we can drag in a new photo for the project that we like. There's also this green edit button that allows you to change all of the basic info about your project. If we go to a project, you can see that any user that is logged in is able to leave a comment on any project on the site. So let's go ahead and leave a comment here. We can say looks great, hit enter, and our comment will get posted to this comment board. You are also able to delete any of your comments that you have made in the past by just clicking this little trash icon. Okay, and then let's now go to the final major piece of functionality on this site, and this is a search bar. Search bar currently searches through all projects, titles, and descriptions. So if you are looking for a project, say, that is involved with, say, React.js, we can type in React, hit enter, and it will then populate search results with projects that have the word React either in the title or the descriptions. We are super proud of this project, and our team has loved working together on it. We especially want to thank the DPL staff and teachers for all of their support over the last 12 weeks. Thank you guys, and see you soon on Life After Dev.